Lately, there have been a lot of controversial rumors about our beloved morning beverage. But you probably will agree that there's nothing better than taking a scientific approach to resolving disputes like this one. Scientists state that drinking coffee in moderation not only is harmless but also might have a positive influence on your health. For example, coffee lovers often look younger than their peers and are less exposed to certain cardiovascular system diseases. Liver cirrhosis. Scientists from the Mario Negri Institute in Italy found out that the consumption of coffee can reduce the risk of developing liver cirrhosis. Cardiovascular system. Another pervasive misperception about coffee has to do with its impact on one's cardiovascular system. In fact, several studies conducted by scientists from the Harvard School of Public Health showed that people who drink 3 to 5 cups of coffee a day are less likely to suffer from a heart condition or stroke. Gallstones. Some substances found in coffee, like caffeine, can reduce your risk of developing gallstones. Scott Gottlieb found out that the risk of developing this disease could be reduced by 4% if you drink 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day, and lowered by 45% if you drink 4 or 5 cups. Type 2 diabetes. Scientists from Aarhus University Hospital, and Odense University Hospital proved that drinking coffee doesn't affect the development of type 2 diabetes. Cafstil, which is an ingredient in coffee, actually increases the level of insulin in the pancreas when insulin is exposed to the influence of glucose. And insulin sensitivity improved by 42%. Rejuvenates every cell in your body. Antioxidants contained in coffee have a rejuvenating impact on your body's cells. The scientists claim that coffee ground extract can help you to prevent UVB-induced photoaging. This means you can get fewer wrinkles by applying used coffee grounds on your skin. Live longer. Mark J. Gunter and Neil Murphy say that coffee can lower your risk of death for different reasons. The study was conducted in different countries and the result was similar in the sense that the mortality rate was lower among people who drank coffee regularly.